Hi, Professor. This is Eric Yu, and this is going to be a presentation on the Unity dashboard analytics that I've made, at least the graphs reports that I've made for our game Spurpunk for now. So the first report that we're going to look at is the users versus sessions versus levels. It's better viewed, most of these are better viewed in bar chart, and this will be a ratio between the amount of users versus the amount of total sessions of the game played recorded according to game start, and then the amount of levels completed. So you can get a ratio of how many players and then are playing the game, and then how many sessions players play on average per day, and how many levels players complete per session. So all these can be combined into these one graph. Secondly, levels replayed, also better viewed as a bar chart. Here we only have 1 day of data because it was implemented recently, but it's just a level quit function tied to the replay button within the game. So just the general amount of times replayed. And here you can see you can also look at the level index, where you can look at, for example, um, For example, you can look at level index over here, then you can see that level 1 has been replayed twice, and the other levels there's no data yet. So that's with the levels, and now with the chests. These are the chests opened, the different occurrences of the opening of different chests, and then the cards purchased. And this one you can see you have these different individual cars because you use the item ID, so you can see the amount of cars purchased per day per type in the store. And then you have the special tower ratio, which is subject to change right now, where you have the ratio between the spawning of special towers versus gems in special boxes, and this is subject to change. Then finally you have the usage of cars per level. Um, so basically you can see which individual card with what upgrade level is used in which level, and the total count of that. And the same thing goes for the towers, what towers are built in each level. Now, obviously it needs more populated data and more testing by our team, but this is generally the scheme of everything that's happening. And I would suggest to view everything as a column chart for now because they're just more intuitive and cleaner to look at. So that's all. Thank you.